Tired of shouting into the void? Let's make sure those SMS messages actually reach you by setting up your Telnyx account to receive them, step by pain-free step. First, log into your Telnyx portal if you don't have an account. The description below has a link for a free trial. Now navigate to the messaging section. In the left-hand menu, click on Inbound Profiles. This is where we configure how Telnyx handles incoming messages. Let's create a new inbound profile by clicking the Add New Inbound Profile button. Give it a descriptive name, something like SMS Receiver, so you know what it's for later. Next, associate this profile with a messaging application. If you don't have one yet, you can create one here. Just make sure it's configured to handle SMS. We'll use an existing one in this example. This is the crucial part, the webhook URL. This is the URL that Telnyx will send the incoming SMS data to. It needs to be a publicly accessible endpoint on your server that can receive post requests. Paste your webhook URL into the field. Head over to the Associated Numbers tab and select the Telnyx number you want to receive SMS messages on. Make sure this number is not associated with any other inbound profiles. Finally, click Save to save the inbound profile. That's it. Now, whenever someone sends an SMS message to your Telnyx number, Telnyx will forward the message data to your webhook URL, triggering your desired actions. Check out our other tutorials for more advanced configurations and happy texting.